Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can hide photos and videos on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. In order to hide photos and videos, we need to use a secure folder that is located in the Google Files app. Over here we can tap the Save folder, and then in my case I have already prepared my save folder, so I had to enter my own pin code, and of course once you enter this for the first time you will need to do that as well. And once you do that, over here you can store files that you want to hide. So let's say you want to go to images, and I have some images that I want to hide. I can simply select them. So if I press and hold on the files, and then I can start selecting them. Then I can go to the top right corner and click on these three dots, and then I have an option, move to save folder. So if I do that, then I need to confirm my pin code. And let's go next. And now all of these photos have been moved to that secure folder. In order to access those files that I just stored in the save folder, I need to go to the save folder, and then of course I need to enter my password or pin code, and I can find them over here. Of course I can still open them, and I can do whatever I want with them. And if you want to take out these photos, then you want to tap on these three dots as well on the right side, and then you have the option to move out of save folder. You can also tap on the three dots at the top, and then you can, for instance, select all of these files. You can also press and hold in order to select one, and then you can keep selecting multiple, and then you can go to the top right corner one more time, and then you have the option to move out of save folder as well. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.